Okay, we will solve this one given the points x is positive 1, y is 2. And yung second point is x is positive 3, y is positive 4. So we will find the slope of the line. So yung formula sa ating slope of the line, that is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay? So ito yung x sub 1 natin. Ito yung y sub 1. Ito yung si 3 yung dito na lang sa baba ha, para maano natin yan. So x sub 1 so equals 1, x sub 2 that is equal to positive 3, y sub 1 is 2, y sub 2 is 4. Okay, so i-substitute natin dito sa ating formula. So m equals yung y sub 2 is positive 4 minus y sub 1 is 2 over x sub 2 natin ay 3 minus x sub 1 ay x sub 1 natin ay 1. So m equals 4 minus 2 is positive 2 over 3 minus 1 is 2. So yung slope of the line ay equal sa 2 divided by 2 is 1. So therefore letter B is the correct answer.